Hi guys, welcome to Sick Meals for 5 with Irene Kanyolo. So today I have an amazing recipe, guys. I'll be showing you to make egg and chapati roll. So guys, before we introduce the ingredients, I thank you guys for subscribing and watching my videos. I also request you guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe. If you have not watched my video, kindly watch. Let me show the ingredients we have for today's recipe. So guys, this is what I'll be using for my today's recipe. I have eggs here, chapati, I've already done my chapati, onions, tomatoes, and onion. So this will be our mixing bowl. So first I'll put my eggs here. So the first thing is mixing the eggs. So when you finish mixing them, the other thing to add is adding the ingredients you want. Like for me, you see I have some onions here. I have some tomatoes. We also add parsley. So after you put them together, mix. So as you can see, my mixture, it's ready. Yeah, it's ready. Now we proceed to the next step. So guys, the next step, it's now where you fry your mixture. So you need to put it in the pan and you cook it in medium heat. So at this time now, you need to add your chapati. Put your chapati like this and let it cook. So when you are done, it's now time to make the roll. And this is how you do it. You just roll it. And that's how it's called egg roll. Chapati, like this. Look at it. How is it, guys? Then you put it on a plate. And I'm through. Let me do 2 more. You see the steps. So guys, don't worry about my hands, they are very clean. For those who love chilies like me, you can add. So after that, you can roll your charcoal like this. Look at what it is. I can't wait to eat them. They look yummy. Wow. Yeah, look at how it looks. Like this. Your egg roll chapati. Look at it. Yes, I'm through with preparing my snack. Let me enjoy it. We can enjoy it together. Yes, here they are. So guys, I'm through with preparing my meal. As you can see over here, I'm taking this as for my breakfast. Yes, see? So I'll do it. Yeah. It's yummy. I'm just enjoying over here. So guys, make sure you subscribe to Sweet Meals for 5. We have many recipes coming. So what you just need to do is just to subscribe and put the notification bell on. Bye bye for now. Let me enjoy my meal. Meet in the next episode.
Sweet meals for 5.